Yes, all of this construction stopped all my video plans. It all started with a water leakage on my back wall, and after fixing that, I started long overdue exterior work. This work is happening now more than 2 weeks, and trust me, they keep running grinder, and after running grinder, they start grinding stone, which increases the noise 3 or 4 times. And it's too loud now. Not only grinding stones, they're also grinding walls, and all of these noises and mess stopped all of my video making process. The work is almost done, but now I'm traveling to my dream destination, and that's Bali. And I'm super excited about this travel. I thought I should share why I stopped all of a sudden uploading my videos. You must be thinking that I had a plan. I told you that what videos I'm going to make next. But this is the reason why I stopped making videos. Now I will start uploading after coming back from Bali. I have lined up very good tutorials and videos for you. Or maybe I'll add up some travel video of Bali as well. So stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace.